Good morning, guys. Happy Friday, November the 27th, 2020. And I want to go ahead and give out a special happy birthday to someone I know on the 27th, the day right after Thanksgiving. Also, want to start off the show with a little bit of bad news. Our good friend Z apparently looks like he contracted the coronavirus. I know when he came on the show this week, we were FaceTiming. He didn't look that good, but again, he just looked like just maybe he was coming down with the flu or something. But that's basically what it is, right? The corona, the hello. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and wish him good luck. We're definitely keeping him in our prayers, and he'll pull through this. Just want to make sure that he's kind of isolated and doesn't keep in contact with anyone. He'll be just fine. Z, we love you, man. You'll be just fine, man. Pull through, and then stay safe. But before we go ahead and continue with the show, let's go ahead and make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you guys can't subscribe, make sure you guys share the message. Make sure you guys follow us on Instagram. You guys are doing a great job on that, and make sure that you guys hit that like button. So let's go ahead and get started. So today's video is going to be about the stock market. It's if you guys seen, this past week feels like it's Monday, but it's Friday. This week, it's been crazy with the stock market. It's been going up and down, mostly up. Reached that 30,000 plateau. But coming, how does the stock market reach 30,000? But people are lining up to go ahead and give free food at food banks. Food banks are running low. So how can that be? How can we be at the all-time high when we're technically at the all-time low? And that's what we need to go ahead and think about and look at. Because again, if with a little bit of money that you're trying to invest, if you're trying to invest it in the stock market, that's just a casino. That's just Russian roulette over there. You guys got to be very careful. It's not a good time to be in the market. A lot of the smart, huge investors are out of it. Warren Buffett, Ray Dalio, they've been out. Buffett's never bought even gold until now. With Barracks. So yeah, the smart. The elite are trying to tell us something. If we don't wake up, we're gonna continue to try to play this market, and we're gonna get wiped out. So make sure that you guys are not in the stock market. Crypto definitely right now, but even crypto, I think in the long run, not right now. It's too new. You know how it is with the elite. Once they find something, they go ahead and make a bubble out of it. So yeah, they're definitely not. They're not gonna blow. They're not gonna make a bubble on that one yet. But get that gold, get that silver, and then crypto with that Bitcoin. That's definitely a good thing to get into right now. But again, do not touch the stock market, even though it seems very tempting. Like I said, I predict it might go even higher. Might even go to 40,000. You never know. But of course, the higher you go, the harder you fall. So it's gonna be a challenge, and don't expect it to go ahead and spike right back up. Like right when the first crash happened in March, that we had that kind of V recovery. The only ones getting richer here are the elite. The Bezos and the Musk. I mean, how is Tesla worth as much as way more than any other automaker out there? Toyota by far is the leader in selling vehicles, and Tesla's just outrageous. But again, they're gonna say, oh, it's the software that you're paying for. It's just like, come on now. You just gotta wake up. That's not smart. If you're gonna fall into that illusion, then no problem. Give me your money then. I'll make sure I give you some better returns instead of just blowing it all away, because that's what's gonna happen. They're just pumping it up, and then after that it's gonna blow. And then we're gonna see a recession. I mean, a depression for a very long time. I think the first one lasted over 20 years. This one could last longer if the Feds continue to print, this fake dough. And then again, it's it's not over yet. Trump went on a rampage, yesterday, like 30 minutes at a press conference. He was supposed to be thanking the troops, but all of a sudden, the reporters were there and they couldn't wait to get to him. So yeah, he went on camera and he said what we already been saying, that there's a lot of cheating involved. It wasn't a fair election, and he's letting everybody know that he's not conceding, and it's gonna be a war. So you add that, you're just adding more fuel to the fire. All these Dems, celebrating that they're loving life. This retard Biden, he's picking his cabinet members, nothing but rats and thieves, and yeah, he's loading up, trying to load up the White House, just to go ahead and turn this into communism. But you know what? It's not over yet. So it's not over until someone's touching that Bible, getting sworn in. So until I see it, we'll see. But again, this is just today's news. Pretty crazy Friday already. So make sure that you guys are not touching that stock market. If you guys are, just be very, very careful. And then get that gold, get that silver, get that crypto. And then I'll drop another video tomorrow. Then you know how the winnings went on this week. Make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you guys follow us on Instagram. Make sure you guys share. And let's keep our boy Z in our prayers. Thank you guys.